Hi students, I hope that all of you are safe at your home and I am your Somnata ma'am. Today I will discuss about Know Your Country from Brush Up of English of Standard 2. Before we go to the descriptions of this chapter, we have to discuss something about our country. We all know that name of our country is India and it is a very beautiful country in the continent of Asia. There is the great Himalayas in the north of India. In the south there is the Indian Ocean. The Bay of Bengal is to the east of our country. To the west there is the Arabian Sea. On 15th of August 1947, India became independent. Bharat is the official name of India. Sometimes it is also designated by Hindustan. It is the 7th largest country by area. There are 29 states and 7 union territories according to the latest report of 2014. It is one of the fastest growing economy in the world. So this is the necessary things I have to discuss with you about our country. Now we go to the sessions through the conversations between the teachers and the students about our country. Teacher, today we will discuss our country. Ramesh, do you know the capital of our country? Ramesh, yes ma'am, the capital of our country is New Delhi. Teacher, you are right. Sit down. Which is the national flower of our country? Iti, lotus is the national flower of our country. Teacher, which is the national bird of our country? Shruti, peacock is the national bird of our country. We all know this very well and this is a very important part of our life, that how much we know our country. In the next page, another question, what is the national game of our country? Hockey. Hockey is the national game of our country. Which is the national animal of our country? Tiger is the national animal of our country. It's better to write down that Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of our country. Teacher, good. Do you know which historical monument of India is included in the 7 wonders of the world? We all know it very well. It is situated in Agra. What is this? This is a Taj Mahal. Where is it situated? It is situated in Agra. Students, if you have any questions or doubts, you can ask me. Ma'am, what is our national flag called? Our national flag is called tricolor. Which is the national tree of India? Banyan is the national tree of India. So it's very good that you are so much aware about your country and are keen to know more about it. So these are the normal conversations between the teachers and the students about our country. We all know that very well what is our national animal and what is our national flower and the national bird, national game. We should have to know because this is most important in our life. According to all of this, we can say about our national emblem, the pillar of Ashoka, our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. We all know all this one. So I hope that all of you read these lessons very carefully and you must gain the knowledge from the outside of this book, from your GK book and another else. Whatever else, how much you know your country, you get more knowledge about your country. Now there are some questions according to your chapter and according to your knowledge. You have to write the question answers by yourselves from your knowledge. Something that, have you been to the capital of India? You can say your answers to them. So no or yes, I have been or I have not been to the capital of India. And which monuments did you visit? If you visit Taj Mahal, you can write down that I visit Taj Mahal. With whom did you go? These are the very simple questions. Here it is written down. So you have to fill the answers according to your knowledge, according to your experience. But I saw a screen with you, a paper with you, what I have ready for you, and some question answers, that common questions answer. That what is the name of our country? The name of our country is India. What is the capital of our country? New Delhi is the capital of our country. Which is the national flower of our country? Lotus is the national flower of our country. Which is the national bird of our country? Peacock is the national bird of our country. What is the national game of our country? Hockey is the national game of our country. Where is the Taj Mahal situated? Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Students, you have to understand the lessons, you have to gain more knowledge about your country and must read the text very carefully. It is not necessary whatever in your exercise you have to just follow it. You have to prepare yourself through the text and gain more knowledge about it, and then you can do any questions answers or any fill in the blanks whatever come into your exams. So I hope that all of you can easily understand it and read very carefully and keep yourselves prepared for your next sessions. So please subscribe our channel and every day follow the videos of the each and every classes and subjects carefully. So thank you. Stay safe. Stay at home.